Hi everyone, I'm here to show you a web app I designed integrated with Amazon Web Services to provide a virtual speech therapist and help individuals practice and improve their speech. Many children and adults are affected by speech disorders and impairment, and speech therapy isn't always very convenient as it can be very expensive. For this reason, I came up with the idea of Lex Speech Assistant that is intended to be an on-the-go method for individuals to practice and improve their speech. It's integrated with an Amazon Lex chatbot that gives users practice phrases and listens for mispronunciation, misarticulation, and memory retention errors. It then helps the individual correct their mistakes. So I'm going to show you how it works. So here we're at the login screen, and here I can either log in as an existing user or create a new user. So I'm going to create a new account. And here I reach the home screen, where I can interact with the Lex bot. And here Lex has many options. I can start and stop a session, I can say help at any time to get more instructions, and for each phrase I can say skip or repeat. So let's try it out. Start.
Great, let's start. Repeat after me. What's up?
What's up?
Very close. You just missed one word. Repeat after me. Once.
Skip.
Okay, how about this? Repeat after me. I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
Great job. Say next for another phrase.
Next.
Great, let's start. Repeat after me. Would you do that for me?
Would you do that for me?
Great job. Say next for another phrase.
Next.
Great, let's start. Repeat after me. Did you get that?
Did he get that?
Very close. You just missed one word. Repeat after me. You.
Repeat.
Okay. Repeat. You.
Quit.
See you next time.
So after you're done, you can go to the View Progress page, where you can see the phrases that you've successfully completed and see how many times you've successfully completed them. And then you can also go to the Add Phrases page, where you can add a custom phrase. For example, the table is black. That adds that phrase to Lex's database so that it can be asked to you at another time. And then you can go to the home page and start a session again. Lex Speech Assistant is designed using Amazon Web Services. So it begins with a web app, which triggers the Amazon Lex chatbot. This is powered by a Lambda function, which retrieves phrases from DynamoDB and then sends them back to Lex, where it listens to user input and then takes that input and verifies it using a Lambda function to see if it's correct to the phrase or not. It then stores that data into DynamoDB, which can then be viewed through the web app in the View Progress page. The web app also has the Add Phrases feature, which sends phrases directly from the user input to DynamoDB. One of the biggest challenges that I had when implementing this was debugging Lex responses and determining whether it didn't understand my input or the Lambda function was delivering the wrong response. The way to fix this was testing it a lot and giving it different input to understand whether it was not parsing my speech correctly or my Lambda function had some kind of bug in it. And it's still not perfect, as the bot was only given a certain amount of training data to understand and learn with. Some of the future improvements that I want to make is allowing the bot to listen for longer input, as many users may have speech impairment issues. They might speak very slowly. So this would allow the Lex bot to actually listen for their entire amount of speech. A further improvement that I'd want to do is to allow it to be more on the go, creating it as a mobile app so that users can use it anywhere. And that's it. Thank you for watching.